Welcome to Doha Old Port, Qatar. Today, I am going to take through these massive and beautiful cruise ships together with Yacht I. And today, we are going to visit this beautiful opera. From the point view, this ship looks really beautiful and amazing. I can't wait to enjoy the visit with you. This beast is huge to the extent you cannot take full photo of it unless you are away 300 meters back. As you can see, it's really big. It carries more 3,000 people. Hotel. Here is the reception for this floating hotel everyone would like to experience. I know most of you are wondering how the inside of these shores might be looking, and you are anxious to know. Now I am going to take you through all over one by one so that we tour this beast together. I will first take through the reception areas and lobby to have experience. The conference rooms of this cruise will brow your mind. The setting area, design materials, and all accessories that were used to make these sofas will leave amazed. The arrangement is so accurate and beautiful, and were corresponded with nice, rounded windows that gives you a nice view outside either from seaside or any other area. There are 3 of these big conference halls on deck, 6 of which each hall can accommodate more than thousands of people in one seat. The carpets on the ground are so nice and clean that makes guests comfortable during their visit to the ship. The music is so cool. Beverages are available at any time you need them. When you look at top in the rooftop, it's a wow, nice design with beautiful glittering colors that keeps your sights focusing on them, and the sofas are so nice. When seating on them, they make you feel relaxed. When you come to the rooftop, it's really amazing. A lot of refreshing equipments filled with water, jacuzzi, swimming pool, shower fountain water, and many more. And if you want to see the city, that would be the best view. They also have dining there that serves drinks and food of your choice because everything is there. The sofas were designed differently in very beautiful designs. The rounded design, custom oval, court design, and may other design seats be attractive due to their nice views, the sea, harbors, and these were located in the middles of the ship. The conference rooms of this cruise will brow your mind. The setting area, design materials, and all accessories that were used to make these sofas will leave amazed. The arrangement is so accurate and beautiful, and were corresponded with nice, rounded. Here is the theater for watching movies. It is so nice underground of the ship, dark inside and echo-sounded barriers. The stage is down, and you watch from the up. The discotheque, so beautiful. It's on the top of the ship, deck 12, and back of the ship. It gives you a nice view as you are enjoying the music. The dance floor is so nice, designed in the middle of the club with well-arranged, good preforming speakers. And it also even has balcony where you can relax from. Gamblers were not left out also. Casino is at your service. You can come at any time and gamble as long you have your money with the requirements to gamble. Around it is surrounded by bar and many other items that might be needed by players. There are a lot of different games played. I depend on your choice. It holds 2 windows which connect to the massages. Steam and sauna are also not left. If you want to do massage or one of the above, you will find the beautiful welcoming ladies waiting to do what they know best. Now let me take you to the cruise ship gym and see how it looks. It is well positioned in the top front of the ship, which enables you to watch and observe very well everything taking place out there on the SEA.it. Is well equipped and organized, which attracts lots of people to visit it. It is well positioned in the top front of the ship, Wait! Did you know that even in cruise ships there is duty free? You might have not heard about it or even expect it. Now you are experience it with your eyes. I am going to take through the cruise ship duty free to see what merchandise are sold there. Now you can look on your screen. Those items you are seeing are duty free products. It's unfortunate that this time it is closed, but luckily you can still view through glass. Mostly they're jewels and women products, although men can also come and check around. The place is so cool, nice and clean, and also pointing into. This is also another side of the pool. It has different sections, and it is upon you to choose where you want to swim from. There is a lot of fun when you are up there, and also good for mingle. Now let me take you to the cruise ship gym and see how it looks. It is well positioned in the top front of the ship, which enables you to watch and observe very well everything taking place out there on the SEA. It is well equipped and organized, which attracts lots of people to visit it. When you come to the rooftop, it's really amazing. A lot of refreshing equipments filled with water, jacuzzi, swimming pool, shower fountain water, and many more. And if you want to see the city, that would be the best view. They also have dining there that serves drinks and food of your choice, because everything is there. Swimming guards are there to guide guests. Ambience of the weather is so nice, the good view on seaside and on the side of the city. You can also enjoy watching other small yacht cruising around, or even the big, isolated areas for resting and relaxing. It is also good for private party, lovers' corner, and also enjoying other entertainment activities there. There is also another serenity view around the swimming pools, which surrounded by good views. When you look one side down, out there is the port, lots of yacht, bus stop, and even people are coming for tour. There are also some lying chairs for relaxation while enjoying the cool music playing, or even playing and watching games there, because there are many activities. You can also enjoy watching other small yacht cruising around, or even the big, isolated areas for resting and relaxing. It is also good for private party, lovers' corner, and also enjoying other entertainment activities there. Have you ever thought of standing on the sides of the ship and see how cool it feels to see the floor of water? It's two-sided fear and anxious if it is your first time, but beautiful. There is that pleasing feeling you mind relaxing when that air from the sea is heating you. Better try once. Do you like tennis? You have worry nothing, they also thought of you. There is a minute tennis playground on the last top of the ship where you can go and enjoy from there without interrupted as you enjoy the beautiful clouds and waters, because it is open space. The good thing with the big cruise ship, it gives you the chance to see everything around you from its top. Now as you can see, there are a lot of things see all over around and have good experience. Good for eyes. And you watch them from all the corners. Have you ever been up on the top of the ship at night? It is the most beautiful thing you will ever find. It gives that shining lights in the city and at the same time that dark side of the sea. That's mixed experience, right? Now look how cool it is to watch Doha City at night from the top of the ship. You will see those beautiful blue